Hi, I'm John Ruloff, and welcome to Primo University. And this class is all about my favorite subject, low and slow. The Primo is an amazing cooker, and when it does low and slow, it is stellar. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna do some baby back ribs, one of my favorites. They're easy, they're simple, and man, the Primo makes them so juicy and tender. All right, we're gonna trim these up. Well, the thing about baby backs is you gotta get this little silver membrane off, and you just wanna use your standard boning knife. Just slip that in there right underneath there. Just get rid of that, because what that does is that adds a barrier for flavor, and we don't want that in there. We're gonna add all this beautiful rub. We're gonna add some mustard to create some nice bark on that. And we gotta get rid of that extra fat and that extra membrane that's sitting there in the silver one. We gotta remove it. The other thing you also wanna do is make sure there's no bits and bones. We got a little piece right here off the trimming off the side. Make sure that when you flip it over, just run your hands over, make sure it's smooth, no sharp edges. We got a little bit of a wild tail right there, so we're gonna cut that off and make it easy and clean. Now we're gonna add just a little bit of yellow mustard. Just a little bit, boom, right there. Yellow mustard, this is a big secret. Yellow mustard adds a flavor profile. Most people say, I don't like mustard. Well, the thing is, we're not adding a mustard flavor. We're adding the chemicals of the vinegar and the mustard seed to break down and really add some flavor to that and really creates the base of our bark. So just give it just a light coating on that, get a nice flavor profile right on there. And then what we're gonna add is the rub. Primo's Honey Crunch rub. We're gonna add a nice little amount of that on there, and it's gonna add this great flavor. It has your paprika, it has your salt, it has your sugars, and it has honey. And let's be honest, a little honey on some pork never did any harm to anybody. So add just a nice liberal covering on that. Just let that rub, just sit on there for about 10 minutes. Let's get nice and gooey, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it over and put it on the smoker. It's been 6 hours. Those ribs look amazing. You guys wanna see them? Woo, look at that. 6 hours those baby backs have been sitting on there. Look at the capacity. We got 8 racks in there. That's a 9-rack system. Amazing. So we're gonna pull those off. Look at that, ain't that beautiful? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So does anybody want to see them eating? I do, because I'm really hungry. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these racks out. Look at these. Woo! Look at that, that is beautiful. Look at that, nice and tender. Look at that nice bark on there. We'll get a nice little cut in there. Look at that, it's nice, beautiful smoke ring right there. Look at, oh, the juice is just delicious on that. 6 hours, all we did, we set it, we forget it, and let Primo let it do all its magic. Get a nice other cut. Oh, that is so good looking. When it's all about the food, it has to be Primo.